Uwear AI is a groundbreaking new tool, and if you've been on the hunt for the best AI software just released, this review is for you. Stick around as we break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive into Uwear AI. Trust me, you'll want to see how this tool could potentially transform your workflow. And before we get into it, you can try this software completely free using the link in the description below. Let's get into the first thing you need to know. Uwear AI is built to offer a fully integrated solution for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses of all sizes. It's designed to simplify complex tasks like customer personalization, automation, and predictive analytics. What makes it stand out is its intuitive interface, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a marketing pro, this software is easy to jump into. But here's what really sets it apart. The AI is powered by deep learning algorithms that help predict customer behavior, improve engagement, and automate content creation. This means you can run smarter campaigns, target the right audiences, and optimize your efforts in ways that would normally take weeks of manual work. The precision here is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their digital marketing. Now, let's talk about customization. Uwear AI gives you the ability to tailor the software to fit your specific needs. Unlike a lot of AI tools that offer one-size-fits-all solutions, this software allows for deep customization in everything from your marketing strategy to the user experience. This flexibility is key if you're working in a niche market or have very specific business goals. Next up, let's discuss the speed. With Uwear AI, you're not waiting around for results. It processes data in real time, which is essential when you need quick insights to act on immediately. For marketers, this means you can pivot campaigns on the fly and make adjustments without having to wait hours or even days for feedback. The faster you can act, the better your results. Another feature you need to know about is Uwear's integration capabilities. This AI integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and social media channels, so you can sync your efforts across various touchpoints. You're not forced into a silo with this software. It adapts to your existing tools and amplifies them. Security is always a concern when it comes to AI tools, and Uwear AI does not disappoint. It offers advanced security protocols that protect your data from potential threats. If you're dealing with sensitive customer information, this is a huge plus, ensuring that your data stays safe while you leverage AI for growth. And here's a secret I think you'll love. Uwear AI has a killer analytics dashboard. It's one of the most comprehensive I've seen. You get deep insights into your marketing performance, customer trends, and even content effectiveness. Instead of just telling you the numbers, it helps you interpret them, making it much easier to identify the key factors that drive success. Now, you're probably wondering, does it live up to the hype? From my experience with thousands of AI software tools, Uwear AI holds its own as one of the most robust and user-friendly solutions I've seen in 2025. And the best part, you can try it for free, so there's no risk in seeing how it works for your business. Before I wrap up, remember that I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've included my recommended AI software in the description below for you to try. If you're ready to dive into Uwear AI or want to explore other top AI tools, the free trials are there to make your decision easier. So check them out and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.